Picture this: silence, the rustle of the forest, the mirror-like water of the lake, and a complete escape from the city bustle. Today, I invite you on a virtual and very beautiful journey to the Kokomoko Recreation Area and the amazing Isle Lake. The recreation area is located in Parkland County near the hamlet of Gainford, about 85 to 90 kilometers west of Edmonton, approximately a 1-hour drive via Yellowhead Highway, Highway 16. The site is open daily for day use from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. It is a small, cozy municipal day use area situated right on the southern shore of Isle Lake. Unlike the neighboring and highly popular Wabamoon Lake, Kokomoko is a much quieter, hidden gem type of place. People come here to escape the crowds, set up a picnic, relax on the grass, and enjoy the views and peace. The lake gets its name from the numerous scenic islands scattered across its waters. This adds a unique aesthetic to the landscape, especially when viewed from a drone or during sunset. Due to the islands and sheltered bays, this lake is very popular for kayaking, canoeing, and supboarding paddle boarding. The islands provide natural protection from strong winds in certain areas. Like many shallow lakes in Alberta, Isle Lake can be prone to blue-green algae blooms in mid to late summer. It's always a good idea to check Alberta Health Services advisories before swimming. However, it remains excellent for boating and shoreline relaxation all season long. Hey everyone, if you're looking for a spot without the massive crowds of Wabamoon Lake but still want pristine forests, calm waters, and beautiful views, this is it. Kokomoko is a wonderful day-use area just an hour's drive from Edmonton. It's perfect for casting a line, launching a kayak, or simply clearing your mind after a busy week. So, what do you think of this spot? Make sure to save this video so you don't lose the coordinates for your next weekend trip. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments where I should go next. See ya!